Hello YouTube. I figured I'd do a series on vintage appliances, just for the heck of it. So we're going to start, well, first we started with those heaters, but now we're going to do a humidifier. This is a DeVilbiss from 1980, so it's as old as me. And it was made in USA, Somerset, Pennsylvania, and you can those are just some kind of operating instructions. It's got a little rocker switch right here. It's got, here's where you put the filters in. Yeah, it's got a couple of filters here. They're removable for washing. The reason I know it's from 1980 is because I took the motor to clean it, and I noticed it had a date right on it. And this comes off, and basically what it does is suck the water up in here and spray it around out there, and it comes out here. A couple of fins here are broken off, but it still works. And now I'm going to start it up. It's got no water in it, but here we go. Not too exciting, but here we go. And that's about it. Bye.